Session 9's title is Strategic Planning. This session also has 2 assignments to be submitted. The first is an assignment called Career Soft Skills, and the second is the final part of your advisor meeting assignment. Both of these assignments have us thinking about the future, classes that we need to take, and skills that we need to be working on in order to be better prepared to be high-quality employers. The first thing that we'll talk about is career soft skills. The career soft skills assignment will be like all the others that you'll have to make a copy for. And once you get into the assignment, you're going to see some directions at the top. It's going to ask you to do a few steps before you get started in the assignment. And part of those steps are figuring out for yourself what the term soft skills actually means. This is how you will be graded, and then the assignment will start on the second page. I'm asking you to begin by identifying a career that you're going to focus on for this assignment. Now, certainly, you may not have a specific career chosen, but pick something in the field that you might be interested in. And then you will follow the steps as you go, identifying information about soft skills and some of the soft skills you might need when you are in the career that you've chosen at the top. And then finally, there's some reflection questions. I do want to remind you that this assignment is very simple. However, it is a 100-point assignment. So it does need to show that you have spent some time doing some research and some thinking about the term soft skills and making sure that you are good to go there. All right. Once we get back to session 9, we are looking at the final part of the advisor meeting assignment. Now, all this is you uploading that future course plan. I am just expecting you to have already met with your advisor and have this meeting completed, and then just inserting into the submission link your future course plan. The course plan is the thing that you and the advisor worked on together to map out the courses that you need to take starting next semester on to graduation. Keep in mind that this meeting can be done in a number of ways. It does not have to be a face-to-face meeting. It can be electronic. You can video chat. You could talk over the phone. You could work through email. Any ways that work for you and your advisor, please make sure that you do what's best for the two of you as you are completing the assignment. That's it. That's all you have to do for session 9. If you're watching this video, please make sure that you have met with your advisor or you have already reached out for a meeting. Waiting until the last minute to ask an advisor to do this is going to result in you potentially missing the first deadline and having to submit late. So reach out to your advisors as early as possible.